Destination London, UK. Are you planning your next trip? Then why not visit London? London is one of the most exciting cities in the world. Full of history, heritage and culture, it's one of the liveliest and most cosmopolitan cities on the planet. Sights and attractions. There are lots of things to see and do in London. Walk around the centre and see famous landmarks like Big Ben and Westminster Abbey. Visit the Tower of London, where England's kings and queens lived, and see Britain's precious crown jewels. Go to Buckingham Palace at 11:30 a.m. and see the famous Changing of the Guard ceremony. And don't miss London's art galleries and museums. Most are free to get into. Shopping. There are over 40,000 shops in London. Oxford Street is Europe's busiest high street, with over 300 shops. Locals and tourists also visit London's many markets. A walk through Camden Lock Market in Camden Town on a Saturday is a must. Eating. With over 270 nationalities in London, you can try food from just about every country in the world. Make sure you try the UK's most famous dish, fish and chips. Getting around. London has a quick underground train system. The Tube, as the locals call it. There are also the famous red double-decker buses. The Tube is quicker, but you will see more of London from a bus. You can also take one of London's famous black cabs. Cabbies can take you to wherever you ask, as they know every single street in London. That's 25,000 streets. Accommodation. London has every type of accommodation you could imagine, from luxurious hotels to bed and breakfasts. You aren't going to have a problem finding somewhere to stay.